Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 5. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, I'm just moving toward one of my client account and showing you the result that he got. We have solved his full course and he got 100% marks above 95, sometimes 90% marks. We also have done its second course in which he got 97, 97, 100, 96, 98. And we have done also its third one here. Okay, no, this one, not this one. Yes, and last one, this one. So we have done 3 courses of my client. Now you may see its third one, and in this also he got about 95% in overall result. So now we are just moving toward our file here. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. It is just getting opening. So first we make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss SIMnet project. That name is Excel 2021 MOS chapter 5 project SIMnet. We just make this bold and highlight that one. Or remember that it's SIMnet project MC Grill here. Now we are moving toward downward Excel 2021 MOS chapter 5 project. We just highlight this big one. These instructions are compatible with both Microsoft Windows and Microsoft operating system. So all these were instructions about the today file. In this project you will be working on home or renovation project to analyze the budget and coverable properties that have sold. You will be completing steps covered under manage charts objective domain. So all these were just instruction about the file. Okay, here are the objectives that we will cover in today's project. This project covers following MOS objective. So we just read that one. We can be able to create charts, apply chart style, add alternate text to chart or for accessibility, create chart sheet, apply chart layout, switch between row and columns in source data, add data series to chart, then add and modify the chart elements. So all these objectives will be covered in today's project. So now we are moving to our instruction file. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move to our whole assignment. How many points we have in today's file? So in today's file we have 12 questions, then 13, 14 and 15 are non-graded one. So we have 12 questions. Let me start this assignment step by step. Steps to complete this project. Mark the steps as checked when you complete them. Then in first part, in first question we have to open start file, this one. If the file is open in protected view, click enable editing button in message bar at the top of the file so you can modify it. So we have to open solution file. It is just getting opening. Click on enable editing. Okay. First part is done in which we have to open start file, and if it is in protected view, so we have to click enable button in message bar at the top of the file so we can modify it. Then in next part, the file will rename automatically to include or name change the project file if directed to do so by instructor. Okay, so we have to move toward there, and you may see our file name has automatically changed our name. Okay, so question number 1 and question number 2 are done. In question number 1 we have to open our start file. Then in question number 2 the file will rename automatically to include our name. So after solving question number 1, 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. In question number 3 we have to create cluster bar chart. Okay, so if necessary go to renovation budget sheet. So we have to move toward renovation budget sheet. Then we have to select the cell A1 to B9 for chart data. So we have to select A1 to B9. Then use the recommended chart feature or another method to insert cluster bar chart. Now we have to insert cluster bar chart. So insert recommended chart, and there is clustered bar chart. Okay, this one done. Then change the chart title to budget. Now we just simply copy budget from here. Then we have to select this chart title, then paste that one. Okay, so question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to create cluster bar chart. So in first part we have if necessary go to renovation budget worksheet. After moving to that sheet, then we have to select cells E1 to B9 for chart data. Then use recommended chart feature or another method to insert cluster bar chart. After that in part D we have to change chart title to budget. So after solving question number 3 we get this result. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 4. Apply chart style. Now we have to apply chart style that we have created in last question. In question number 3 we have created chart. Now we have to apply chart style. So in first part we have to verify that budget chart is selected. Budget chart is selected, this one. First we have to select that one, then apply style 5. So for that we have to click on chart design, and there is style. Now we have to select style 5. Yes, this one. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4 we have to apply our chart style. So for that we have to select that budget chart. After that then we have to apply style 5 to that chart, and we have applied and we get this result. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Display chart data labels. So continuing working with budget chart. Okay, we have to again work on this chart. So what we have to do there, we have to add outside and data label to the chart. We have to apply outside and data label outside and yes. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we have to display chart data labels. So in first part we have to continue working with budget chart. Then in next part, in part B, we have to add outside and data label to the chart. After solving question number 5 we get this result. Okay, so question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Add all text to the chart. Now we have to add all text to the chart, continuing working with budget chart. Okay, we have to work on that chart. So we have to add all text, this one, to that chart. So we just copy this sentence from here, then right click on this chart, and there is all text. So we have to in this. Okay, so we get the result. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6 we have to add all text to the chart. So continue working with budget chart, and there we have to add all text, this line. Okay, and we have added that line. Same way we will solve question number 7. 8 up to question number 12. There are just 12 questions. In 12 questions, we have solved first 6 questions. I mean, 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. Remember that we are solving Excel 2021 MOS Chapter 5 project SIMnet. Instead, we cover all these parts that are non-graded one. We just read the instruction about the file, that what we have in today's file, how we have to solve that one. Then we just read this one. After covering this project, what we cover, what we get, mean what objective we get. So we just read all these objectives. Then we just move toward instruction file, and in instruction file there are 12 questions in graded part, and we have solved question number 1. Then we solve question number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have solved question number 6. First 6 question mean 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise, that your marks will be 100% whenever I will solve your assignment. And first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. Your assignment will be ready in next 30 minutes, and you will get E grade 100% marks whenever I will solve your assignment. First you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer, because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, it's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result, then you pay me, and our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price, and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook, project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise. So in today's video, we have solved 50% assignment. That name is Excel 2021 MOS Chapter 5 project SIMnet. Let me show you one of my client result, that he got about 95% result. So if you need help regarding these courses, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. Okay, you may see my client got exactly 100% or above 95% result. Okay, so we will meet soon with our next assignment. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. And again, listen to me carefully, that here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future.